Taking your desserts from average to exemplary is as simple as knowing your way around a pastry bag. Various tips create exceptional designs, but to use those tips, you need to first know how to use a coupler. Begin by unscrewing the ring at the base of the coupler. Open your pastry bag and drop the coupler inside, pushing the narrow end of the coupler into the narrowest part of the bag. And mark with your finger where the beginning of the screw thread lines up on the bag. Push the coupler up and cut the bag at the marked line. Push the coupler back down through this hole until the hole lines up with the beginning of the coupler's threaded lines. Place the decorating tip over the part of the coupler which is showing through the hole. Grab the ring and screw it back onto your coupler, securing the decorating tip in place. Simply unscrew this ring, remove this tip, and add a different tip if other designs are desired while decorating. Add frosting to your pastry bag and your signature desserts are ready to be decorated.